Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. What is Empliciti Elotuzumab? And how does Empliciti work? What is Empliciti? Empliciti Elotuzumab is an anti-cancer drug given as an infusion that is used to treat multiple myeloma in a combination medication treatment program. Currently, Empliciti can be used with a specific combination of medicines for two selected patient groups: Revlimid, lenalidomide, and dexamethasone with Empliciti. This is for adult patients who have already had 1 to 3 treatments for multiple myeloma. Pomalyst, pomalidomide, and dexamethasone with Empliciti. This is for adult patients who have already had at least 2 treatments of Revlimid and the proteasome inhibitor, e.g. Velcade, bortezomib, Ninlaro, ixazomib, Kyprolis, carfilzomib. How does Empliciti work? We have cells in our immune system called natural killer, NK, cells whose job it is to kill infected cells, any stressed cells that aren't functioning properly, or cancer cells. A simple way to think of how Empliciti works is that Empliciti increases the activity natural killer cells against the myeloma cancer cells, and it labels the myeloma cancer cells so that it is easier for the natural killer cells to find them. This results in more multiple myeloma cancer cells being destroyed by the natural killer cells. Related questions: Is Velcade a type of chemotherapy? Can Darzalex cure multiple myeloma? How long does Velcade stay in your body? What type of drug is Empliciti? Empliciti is a monoclonal antibody type of anti-cancer drug. An antibody is part of the immune system that attaches to a protein, or antigen, like a key fits a lock. Once the antibody is attached to the antigen, it is like there is a sign on it, labeling the protein as something that needs to be destroyed by the immune system. Some cancer cells have antigens on the outside of the cell, and monoclonal antibodies can be designed to target these antigens. Empliciti is a monoclonal antibody designed to bind to protein on the outside of the myeloma cancer cell called SLAMF7, signaling lymphocyte activation molecule family member 7. Once Empliciti is attached to SLAMF7, it makes the myeloma cancer cells easier for the natural killer cells to find, and also increases the activity of natural killer cells against the myeloma cancer cells. Bottom line: Empliciti Elotuzumab is a monoclonal antibody-type anti-cancer drug used to treat specific multiple myeloma patients. Empliciti is used in combination with dexamethasone and Revlimid, lenalidomide, or pomalidomide. Empliciti is given as an infusion. Implicitus binds SLAMF7 protein, which makes the myeloma cancer cells easier for the natural killer cells to find, and also increases the activity of natural killer cells against the myeloma cancer cells. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.